I like to play around with this to see how I can get it. Ooh. In the box Hurela sent over, it did come with, it comes with a bag to hold the wig, a wig cap, a little goodie bag with an extra headband, cheetah, and another wig cap, as well as this floral headband. So let's just get right on into this. So I'm headed to work, so I just kind of got out the shower. I just got up not too long ago. Only thing I did was my brows. Excuse the nails, okay? So we need to get into this hair. So for my headband wigs, they're pretty simple. I'm literally going to brush my hair into a low bun, do my baby hairs. I may or may not put on a wig cap because my wigs don't move that much, so I don't have too much friction on my hair. And then I put the wig on my head. So let's get right into this hair, okay? So I don't really know what's under here because that's how I sleep. That's that. It's almost time for a wash, but not yet. I'm going to use this powder brush just to get my hair brushed back to the low bun positioning that I want. And then I would then go in with my Eco Styler Gel in the green tube to lay my hair, all right? So first, let's get this brushed back. All right, so step one, what I do, I normally pull out my baby hairs before I lay my gel. So I'm just gonna take this, I think I'm going for 2 swoops. Just gonna comb that out. And then comb out that side. And then comb out some of these for the burns. It's way too much. Let's put some back. All right, baby hair is out of the way. Let's go in with some of this Eco Style. First, I smooth it in with my hands. Y'all, I broke this. I don't know where my other one is, which kind of sucks, but it still works all the same. Then I go back in with one more last layer of Eco. And the crazy part is, I don't know why I sleek my hair all the way down. You really only have to sleek the part that you're gonna show. So, I don't know. I just kind of realized that. Take my hard brush. I take my hard bristle brush one more time and go over that. And then I undo my bun, collect any extra hair that has brushed down. A little heavy-handed on my head. Ooh. Okay. After I do that, I go in with my Camille Rose. About that much. I love this Honey Hydrate leave-in. I apply it on top and my ponytail. Try to get it as low as possible because we don't have any back leave out. a small bun, and then I take the excess and I wrap it around. Then I take a rubber band and just seal it off. It's not too tight. That's just what I do to secure my buns. All right, so now we're back here. And I'm going to knock out these baby hairs. So for my baby hairs, I do go in with my edge fixer. Sometimes I use my Eco Styler Gel just to kind of get them how I want. So that was the Eco. Then I go in, and I actually do put some back there too. Try not to put heat on my baby hairs. So using your pinky kind of helps you have something to mold around. Then I put some of that Eco right there. Then I put some of that, what you call that? Edge fixer. Once I do that, I normally go in with my scarf and just let those baby hairs sit down for a second. Now, this is my favorite scarf. I got it from Walmart. I actually have like 2 or 3 of them just in case I ever like misplace it. Let's let that sit for a second while I go grab this wig. Here is the wig. These are the curls now. I conditioned them with some Lottie Body conditioner, and then I used the Lottie Body Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse on them. And this is the curls I got. So they are fully dry. I feel a little crunch, which is good for curl definition, but that's why I'm gonna use my Garnier Fruit Tea Serum on top of it to kind of break those curls down from the crunch and give it like a little bit more softness and flowiness, all right? So let's just go ahead and take this off because I do have to go to work. And so that is my low bun. Very simple. Combs. I have my adjustable straps back here. I need to adjust. Get it? Adjustable straps. I need to adjust. So I flip back the headband so I can see where I'm putting it. Kind of see where I want it. The headband is flipped out, so I flip back, so I have to be mindful of that. Comb. Comb. Clip the hair off for a second. Flip it down. Now this wig is a perfect fit. Shout out to the little head people. We're gonna be good. Okay. It is on. Got a little flap. You guys can fix this with a bobby pin. I played it for a little second to see where these curls are gonna try to be. Pretty. Now I will go in with my Garnier Fruit Teas. Let me unlock it. About that much on top of the hair. And it smells so good, y'all. This Garnier is like a go-to of mine. Oh, and as a side note, I get my bands from Walmart. They are literally 98 cents now, the Equate. And I'm gonna put her in like a pony. And this is like one of my favorite styles to wear with a headband wig. Or really with curly hair, period. That's my backup alarm. I like to play around with this to see how I can get it. Ooh. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So this is how I'm gonna wear it to work. No headband, except for the one it comes with. I'm gonna be wearing black today. So I like how sometimes you don't even have to put an extra headband on top. What's the point? It comes with one. It's black. It's very versatile. It goes with a lot of stuff. So thank you so much to Hurela Hair for this headband wig. I'm so happy to be putting my hair up for a change because I've been doing a lot of leave out, and this is just the style I need that is protecting my hair under it. I have a little bit of leave-in and it's not going anywhere. Very versatile. I put her up. I can wear her down, half up, half down, 2 ponytails. It's endless. So in order to stay tuned, you know, if you haven't already, you should subscribe to my channel to come take off with me because we're just gonna be popping on this journey. And all the information on this hair will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out if you are a headband wig lover, or if you just want to try one out. This would be a great wig. Just a close-up on these curls. I love how they came out. Not too much, not too less, just right for me. So at this point, I'm talking too much because I gotta go to work, and this was a very convenient style for me to throw on this morning. So shout out to the conveniency of headband wigs. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.